Beloved comedy Pen 15 will end with its second season, a Hulu representative confirmed to EW. The later half of that second season will premiere on Hulu on December 3rd. The brainchild of real-life best friends Maya Erskine and Anna Konkle, Pen 15 follows the horrifying trials and tribulations of two gal pals at the turn of the millennium as they navigate the particular hell that is middle school. Erskine and Konkle play 13-year-old versions of themselves while the rest of their classmates are portrayed by actual kids, leading to some of the cringiest and most glorious comedic moments on television since the show premiered in 2019. The creators felt that the story they wanted to tell has come to an end with the upcoming second half of season 2, a Hulu rep told Variety. However, Hulu will leave the door open for more Pen 15 in the future, the representative added, and the streamer looks forward to working with Erskine and Konkle again. Was there ever a season 3? Despite initial plans for 3 seasons, creators Anna Konkle and Maya Erskine decided to end the show with just 2 seasons, primarily due to creative burnout and personal responsibilities, including new acting roles and motherhood. Multiple sources reveal that Hulu would have happily continued, but the creators decided to wrap up. So there is no reason that season 3 release date should have, and it concluded with the second season, which aired its final episodes on December 3rd of 2021. Pen 15 Season 2 Recap. Season 2 Part 2 pivoted from the nostalgic cringe comedy to heavier ethereal friendship strains, racial identity, first sexual experiences, familial upheaval, and burgeoning trauma. Maya's friend Sam notices her sadness and plots to egg a Derek's house. Anna decides a friendship over her boyfriend, breaking up with him to support Maya. Maya and Sam share a first kiss, sweet, sincere, and healing, with his gesture referencing the same song that had hurt her earlier. The finale ends with Anna and Maya fantasizing about a future together, college dorms, a double wedding, raising each other's kids, and etc. It's very sweet and a surreal blast of optimistic nostalgia over receding childhood. Critics described it as heartbreakingly beautiful. It's perfect encapsulation of their friendship and a fitting conclusion to the show that thrived on its emotional quality of cringe comedy and emotional weight. And that wraps up everything you need to know about Pen 15. While fans may still be hoping for season 3, the bittersweet truth is that the journey ended with season 2. Anna and Maya gave us something rare, unfiltered, hilarious, and heartbreakingly real. Look at Of the Crow. Even though the show has ended, its legacy as one of the most honest portrayals of middle school awkwardness will always live on. What did you think of Pen 15 finale? Did you feel the enticing gave justice to Anna and Maya's story, or were you hoping for something more? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you have enjoyed this breakdown, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into your favorite series and shows. Until next time, stay awkward, stay real, and I'll see you all in the next one.